morning children. Let's continue this chapter, okay? So today's topic is soil erosion. Soil erosion. What is mean by erosion? Erosion means carrying from one place to another place. Okay, that only erosion. Okay, that means wearing of the soil. Okay, soil erosion means carrying away the top soil from one place to another place. And what is the effect of this? If there is soil erosion, what occurs? That means it reduces the fertility of the soil. So what are the agents? Agents causes this soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused by these following agents. Okay, the first one is strong wind. Okay, strong wind. Strong wind, how it is in the desert areas, dry lands, there what happens, the strong winds come. That time from the top soil only carry from one place to another place. So it is a one reason, agent, okay, for the soil erosion. And the second one is running water. What? Running water. See children, what is meant by running water? Simply not saying water. Running water means the water, see, on the surface water also there. That means on the pond, lake, these are the surface water. This is the running water. Running water means from, it will not stay at a place. It runs, means it move from one place to another place. That means like a river. River, it's not a still water, right? So that is running water. That time what happens? The running water mainly see from the hilly areas, right? And the hilly areas, there the running water comes, that means at a high speed, the water flows down. So along with that, what comes? The soil also comes. Then that also causes, that also be a reason of soil erosion. Understood? And the third one is the human activities. Human activities. Human activities means by the human itself. Okay. What are the human activities? That one we can say that the first one is deforestation. Okay. In deforestation, D means removal. It means, see, that plants only, the roots of the plants hold the soil firmly together, right? So that there will not be erosion of the soil. But if the plants are cut down, the deforestation means cutting down the plants. If we cut down the plants, what happens? The roots will not be there. So the soil cannot be held by the roots. Then the soil becomes loose, and then it causes the soil erosion. It carry away the top soil from one place to another place. Understood? Deforestation. And the second one is, we can say that overgrazing. Okay, overgrazing. Overgrazing means the cattle. Cattle means like a cow, buffalo, goat, this one. Okay, when we are leaving them, not tying at a place, simply leaving freely, that time they move around on the ground. Okay, they move around on the land and they eat the grass. That time what happens? The top top soil, there the plant cover will be loose because they eat those things, grass, and that with along with those the roots also, the plant will come out. So that it also causes what? Soil erosion. And the third one is, we can say plowing of the hilltops. Hilltops, okay, hill slopes or hilltops we can say. Here what happens? The hilltops, that means the hilly areas, there the land becomes, if we loosen, then what happens? If we plow the land, that time the soil becomes loose from the hill slopes. Then when the water comes, when it rains, that time along with the water, the top soil also carried away. Okay, understood? These are the three causes of human activities. So what are the agents for the soil erosion? The agents of soil erosion are strong wind, running water, then human activities like deforestation, overgrazing or plowing of the hill slopes. Understood? Now, but because of this soil erosion, now anyhow we have to protect them, because soil is a natural resource, right? So many number of uses are there for the from this soil. So to protect that soil, we have to take some actions, preventive actions. Such actions are known as soil conservation. Okay. So what is mean by soil conservation? Soil conservation. It means it is the prevention. Okay. Prevention, preventive steps, prevention of, or we can say that the protection. We can say protection of soil. Protection of soil from soil erosion. From soil erosion. That is known as soil conservation. So some methods are here for this soil erosion. What are the methods? The first step we can say afforestation. Afforestation means what? Already told that deforestation is the cause of soil erosion. Here afforestation is the method of soil conservation. So afforestation is the opposite of deforestation. Afforestation means growing of the plants. Okay, growing of plants. So if we grow the plants, what happens? The roots, it can hold the soil firmly there. Okay, so that we can prevent. And the second one it is, we can say, see, after harvesting, one crop when we grow, when it becomes mature, what happens? We will do the harvesting, right? After harvesting and before sowing the next seed, there is a gap, right? So yours also, after the result and before going to the next class, there is a gap, right? During the result, after the result time. So such a gap, during that gap, what happens? The land becomes barren. Okay, so within that time there is no top cover. Okay, so that time when there is a strong wind or the running water, rain, heavy rain, then what happens? The soil can be removed from the top layer. Okay, so that is the reason. So for that, what we can do, the farmers, they can, after harvesting, do not leave the land simply barren. Within that time, they can grow some grass, or even you can say fodder. What is meant by fodder? Fodder means actually the grass only, the plants only which are eaten by the cattle. Okay, the cow, buffaloes, this one. So such plants easily it grow, grass also very fast it grow, right? So before the next crop sow, they can cut this also. So within this time, if they are growing the grass or the fodder, that the land will not be barren. So it can protect the soil erosion. Okay. And the third one, then what we can say, this one, hilly slopes. See, hilly slopes, terrace farming. Okay, so terrace farming. What is meant by terrace farming? Somebody will say that if we are asking terrace, roof of the house, right? So some, if we are asking some of them by hearing itself, what they say, we are growing the plants on the roof. That is known as terrace farming. No, children. Actually, terrace farming, what it is, see, if it is the hilly area, okay? In the hilly areas, the soil, if the rain, heavy rains, what happens? It slow, fastly, that means this, along with the water comes down with at a high speed, right? So that time what happens? The top, the soil also come along with this. So to avoid that, what we can do the terrace farming. It means from the layer itself, in between we have to cut the this hills in the form of terrace. Okay, that means steps, in steps, cutting the hills in form of steps. That time what happens? If see the topsoil from one place, from here the river, the water carries the soil, then what happens? In this place it will be flattened, right? It is not like the slope, so it becomes flattened. Though this place the soil will be settled, and again then it will not carry down. The same way again from here, if it comes again on this place, it will be settled. So that means it will not be erode. This is the, and in these places they are growing the plants also. So in the hills itself, in these places growing the plants, then on the terrace itself. So the roots also hold the soil there only. This is only what terrace form. Understood? So it prevent this soil erosion. And next one we can say that this one, what it is, boundaries. Okay, grow the tall trees or the bushes. Bushes means like a shrub, medium sized plants. They also grow on the boundaries. Okay, boundaries of the ground or the land. That time what happens, if it is the strong wind also comes, the soil will not be carried away, because of these trees and bushes, it stops there only. So it will not carried away. Understood? That is also there. Then the fifth step, if we say, we can say that this one, what it is, this embankments. Okay, building of embankments. What is meant by embankments? Embankments means, see children, if it is the river, okay, river. So when the river, the water level increases, that we call it as a flood. Okay, when the river, there is a flood, that time what happened? The overflow, this river will be overflow. Then the water will be goes out, right? When the water goes out, then along with this, the soil also, the soil from these areas, that also go with that. So to prevent that, what they can do, along with this river bank, they can build some like raised platforms. Okay, so that this water, if it comes also, that will be collected over here only. So it will not carry the soil, like dams we are keeping, right? That means boundaries building along the river. So that is sides of that river bank. So it will avoid the overflowing. Okay. So that also be a protection against this soil erosion. Understood, children? Understood the soil conservation. Today you learned soil erosion and soil conservation. Okay, soil erosion means carrying away the topsoil from one place to another place, and soil conservation means protecting the soil from soil erosion. Okay, thank you children.